All right, intermediate algebra, we've got absolute value number 2 video for you. So on this one, scale and reflect absolute value graphs. So, and I get it, if you have not done a lot of absolute value stuff in 8th grade, then this might be a little tougher, and that's what I'm here to kind of help you with. So this one, what they want you to do is the graph of y equals the absolute value of x is scaled vertically by a factor of 6. First of all, I think it's good to have a graph to look at, so I'm just going to pull up the next question real quick. Remember that this y equals the absolute value of x is this blue graph right here, the one that's graphed in blue. This is where they're almost always going to start you. In fact, can't think of where they are. In fact, you can see it even on this one. That's where they're starting you for this one. Same type thing. And that blue one is where you start from. Now, when they are scaling it vertically by a factor of 6, remember that this scales it left to right. Okay, if you remember, that would shift it 6 in the positive direction, or move this graph 6 this way. This one here would scale it a little bit in the positive direction, but not very much. So when they're talking about a vertical factor, a scale vertical factor, they're talking about how much you're multiplying it by. So a vertical scale factor is what are you multiplying it by? And in this case, you're multiplying it by 6. So it is as easy as it might seem, it is letter B, where you take that absolute value and you simply multiply it by 6. And that would be your answer for this question. Okay, now this is the next question here that we're doing. I just pulled this up so you had the graph earlier. The question here is, we are going to take this function and we are going to find out which scale factor gives us this one right here. And they give us 4 choices for this. So I'm going to walk you through this again. I'm going to walk you through the answers that aren't correct first, and you should know this. So this one, you know, would scale the thing up 3. So the blue one would go up 3, and then this one would shift it 2 to the right because it would take a positive. So it would go up 3 and over 2. Well, it doesn't start right there. This one would go down 2 and then to the right 3. So down 2 and then the right 3. And well, it doesn't start right there either. Okay. Now, this one that is going in this direction right here, that you'll see it's opening up, is what's called a positive scale factor. So it's got a positive scale factor. So this one right here would be a positive scale factor. And because 3 over 2 is a number that's greater than 1, it would actually go up faster. It would kind of, if you can follow my little arrows right there, it would be going up faster because it's a number greater than 1. If it would have been less than 1, like 1/2, it would go at 1/2 the factor up like this. This red one, though, you'll notice is opening down. So what symbol that you can think of would cause something to not open up, but rather do the opposite and open down? It would be the opposite sign, or the negative sign, a negative 2/3. And because 2/3 is less than 1, you'll notice that it's going down just a hair slower than what it typically would have been going down. So our answer again on this one would be letter B. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Good luck to you. And again, I'm there to help you. Bye-bye.